Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Today is July 7th. Today we got Midstate coming out here to fix the draper. You guys remember yesterday, July 6th, the draper tensioning, like the bolt, you know, or it's an eye bolt out of threaded bar that goes into some lever system. Anyways, that went out, so that's gonna get fixed today. We're gonna try and get the 4000 fixed today, because right now it won't start, it's dead. But yeah, first things I gotta do though is get the rototiller out so my grandma, my aunt, can go do some stuff with the garden. So I'm gonna take care of that right now. I already got that done now. I got the rototiller pushed over to the garden. Now I'm gonna take the 656 and back that and the draper out of the shed here. Then pull it around and set it right there. Larry will come up here with the combine, pick it up, and we'll let Dylan from Midstate go to town on that. And hopefully we can get that fixed. We can finish the combine today and get that running. That's pretty much the last thing we got. I'm getting the international back from Duffy Fleet Service, but I'm not too worried about that. I mean, granted, we're not going on, you know, wheat's not going to be ready for another week, not till next week yet, you know. But I mean, if we didn't start doing all this stuff yesterday, well, we wouldn't have known the dang head was broken. Then we'd really be scrambling, you know what I mean? Anyways, I'm gonna back this out now. Up all the wheels, tie rods, bearings, check the tires on the header trailer. There, it took it. 4 of these and then 2 of those ones in the middle. Take it. Damn greasers never work the way they're supposed to the first time. There it goes. Anyway, now I'm gonna check the tire pressures in these really quickly. These are supposed to have, the max load is 80, so we're gonna go for 75 miles, or not 75 miles, 75 PSI in these. That one's got, oh shit, that's got 68, so that's low. So I'm gonna get the air hose out now. Got the air hose here. Let's start filling these up with some air. You guys probably get the picture. I'm about to do this 4 more times. Well guys, it's been a while since I've updated you last, but we just got back from Waupun. We were buying the parts we needed for the bean head, and then we also got called from DFS that the semi truck was done with the inspection, so I went, picked that up, drove it back here. We also had some lunch at a new Johnson tractor dealership, which is where I got this hat for free, so that's pretty cool. But right now, Dylan, the guy from Midstate, is working on our head. We got all the right parts, so hopefully we can get that fixed, and then we will finish setting it up and calibrating it. I was doing the sensor head calibration, and I got to the last step in it, and I had a fault. What happened was there was a sensor, the right head sensor, the voltage is out, so called that, and we'll see if we can make ends meet of it. Oh, boys. You fix one thing and you find 6 more problems. That's just how the cookie crumbles in this industry. Here's the new sensor for the right side of the head. Hopefully this thing works. I found a new paid subscription online, and I'm gonna test it out right now. We're gonna see if it works. Apparently it makes your life easier because it will instant complete tasks. All right, let's see. There we go. I successfully got the header calibrated. We fixed it. Woo! Alright, gonna take this down to the other shed. Well guys, I'm driving the combine right now down to Larry's shed, or the other farm operation. Yeah, this thing is done, it's ready for wheat harvest. Right now we're looking at about Monday for winter wheat harvest. Yeah. So, yeah, today was definitely one of those rougher days. But yeah, we got a lot done, so I think everything's going good. Should I just pull this off to the side, or are we just going to shove the semi in through the south door? Oh, hello.
Here's the big Cummins motor. A little more airflow. Well guys, that's all I got for you today. Yeah, probably spent a couple $1,000 today on shit, but that's how the cookie crumbles. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, bye.